ya jibe mune atina jama'a je ke jikle kate kata baku kujamala sababuta bon number one factor number one key is low kusula balia nintumala minna bande banku dum wala fonni ko ta fi jikle te marché kunat o banko le marché bolti fonni ki jama'a bi be la fi nte bita baku ngaje ko this three one must happen or even four ngata ngadum ngata yemuta ngata ngafa o ngata ngamuna these four ibita yake la nyimbela muna na mo bolon na already yes still aka dunga ko yendo boss muna na jiklateo people are hopeless na elfa no bi knya kata bag fonni ngada ba mota ba ning bagul ni 7 days on bekenta moment don tata bagbe ke bala mo ko min ko fadi kan asada mero bita musul ni dil ni ke mayol bita just recent ajibe model 14 nyola atono ko kulu men ko mo fa baro 190 people wol second honorable ali so wol second no gambe munat wol second africa munat who knows say wol be 14 nyola yana ko tangem bo fokat lifet li sok ñaata ko tangem ngana muy Jinack fanan kul do fam boyta sa banko fan kanjal menan kam fiti banko la soyel fan kon kul woni boyta han kam ni forelol be jol manje han say ba o bala fa wata alu yet still people are still going, people are still struggling to go munatina banko al halo do nyame alu
so meaning komi banko di un jiklate tay man sakunda
banko di un jiklate ta do ni banko di jiklate ta fa fa interneto on banko na marché bolte because what e quand même fan don banko la nyaato wala banko la ta a kosulo mu fonde ngol okay banko la ta nyaato banko la ta la soma ala fonde ngol la ni o fonde ngol be vacances lo fonde ngol be banko bulaka yamra ko han atra ko ikata memande see as especially as a president or the people that you are working with, that is whether la minister or permanent secretary or whatsoever I'll say le for not just because people be pushing out the beam be munafankan ben the rest will come from will tell them mutakan Saturday and allowance and other benefits, but don't you think we need to sit and think about this? Ni banko dolem instead of money na kumanda kayo ko banko eta shuno kono mo kono te fight la banko ikanga kutakere banko dilla woshi utawa match ko nala ka ni ko ke fananke ni ko wonte ni ko yati amanta reto mo le diam mo le bula statement on bondo mbo fo kan 2-3 days time ko tanke na mo kulundo fana boyta ko tanke banko fan kam men kam fi di banko le baaji fanko allo bala fa warata.
Yeah, it's very sad and unfortunate because ni ajibe man sakunda fa na diamo nyina at the time be along go it was long overdue because naje kumtemana be cake but honorable ete aje ko man banko diuni jikila tewlo so man sakunda la poto bari ngaje la man sakunda la diam la men la docteur Ismail Cissé Minister of Information ana la ko amanke ko dogo so do wali ala fonkol sama kam banko diun bondi kam banko ka fani ko bondi kam. So what will you say to that?
My bonga statement, and I strongly disagree with so-called Dr. Cissé. The fact that Akamemfo, hello, Mr. Sao, there are certain truths or certain realities you don't need to go and write in a piece of paper to make the realities. Okay? Member can bank on content it, man can be among a government na keta tulkutuntroli more defend like anything you need Dr. Ismail because of his just for Kalapla so tankan Kalapla just because of to please the president where blaming for wo malo water back or malo water back information minister well ntol mavo because ntol ngalo nako okay no matter what the circumstances Dr. Ismail will only say things that will please the president. And I don't know about elements na Carola. I love him. Ngalain kumola ngalain concern mo but do fa be ferol tamaka ni masakunda ni president kata wala ni cabinet ni sitan kata ni kukata be mi fokante fa mbata kan simfa ya takam pum be ko avona planyam kana franja. I think this is what we expect from minister.
Definitely.
Or like otherwise kafo moleko ne funding phone if like amplify kata but amanga don't go to the tell us just 2 or 3 jobs that the government have created for the use of this very country. Tell us.